name is Dr. Kieren Bong. I'm a cosmetic doctor at Essence Medical Cosmetic Clinic in Glasgow. Today we are going to talk about 5 most popular misconceptions associated with Botox for wrinkle reductions. These are 5 misconceptions I encounter on a day-to-day basis when patients come to Essence Medical for their cosmetic Botox procedures. The first myth that I hear on a regular basis from patients who come to see us is that Botox treatments are very painful. This is not true at all. At Essence Medical, we go that extra mile to minimize the risk of discomfort. What we do is we import all our needles from South Korea. These needles are so fine that they are not available in Europe or America. Botox treatments at Essence Medical is normally described as a mild mosquito bite-like sensation. As mentioned earlier, the use of very fine needle and an advanced technique, we make sure that the procedure itself is not uncomfortable for our patients. The second myth I encounter fairly regularly is that Botox treatments eliminate facial expression. This is again not true at all. At Essence Medical, we emphasize the fact that our treatments, including Botox for wrinkle reduction, have to be well balanced, giving results which are natural as well as age appropriate. These are very important factors, and we put a lot of emphasis on these factors. So what we normally do is we look at the patient's anatomy, we listen to what they are hoping to achieve, and then we strike a balance. We give them a well-balanced result that is natural and age-appropriate. It is not uncommon. I advise my patients it's important that we preserve a small degree of facial expressions. Allowing them to be able to make some expression as well as preserving some character means the results will be well-balanced and natural. The third myth I would like to talk about is that it's not uncommon. People mistakenly think Botox is the same as botulism. This is not true at all. Botox for cosmetic purposes, the active ingredient of which is called botulinum toxin A. It is a purified protein and it is a derivative of the toxin. A lot of people are not aware of the fact that cosmetic Botox has been available for over 20 years, and it is arguably the most studied and researched medication in the world. Extensive research has been conducted into the safety profile of Botox, and over the past 20 years, it's been proven that Botox is safe and effective. The fourth myth I hear on a regular basis is that cosmetic Botox is only used and effective for facial lines. Again, this is not true. In fact, a lot of people would be surprised to be told that Botox was actually never developed to eliminate wrinkles. As mentioned earlier, Botox, or botulinum toxin A, has been available for over 20 years, and it is one of the most studied and researched medications in the world. Even today, Botox is widely used in the hospital for many wide variety of medical conditions, such as excessive sweating, migraine, excessive twitching of the upper eyelids, intractable incontinence of the bladder, or other involuntary musculoskeletal disorders such as facial spasm. And final misconception I would like to talk about is that some people believe or mistakenly believe that Botox treatments are dangerous. This is not true at all. As mentioned earlier, Botox has been available in medical and cosmetic industries for over 20 years. And Botox is arguably the most studied and researched medication in the world. its safety profile is well established, and for it to be available in the medical industry, it has been studied and researched very extensively. So, the above are 5 common misconceptions I encounter on my day-to-day practice when it comes to Botox treatment for wrinkle reductions. So to summarize, Botox treatment at Essence Medical Cosmetic Clinic is not painful. We use the finest needle in the world, and we emphasize a lot of the fact that we want to give our patient a result that is well balanced, natural, and most importantly, age appropriate, and that Botox is used extensively in the medical and cosmetic industry over the past 20 years, and it's been very well researched as well as very well studied, and its safety profile is well established.